Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. So it's Halloween and let's make a Halloween recipe. Did you hear something? No? Okay. Into a large bowl, add in some butter, some powdered sugar, some salt, 1 room temperature egg, and few drops of vanilla essence. Mix everything really well. And using a blender, blend this butter mixture till it becomes slightly fluffy. Once you combine all the wet ingredients, let's add the dry ingredients like baking soda and flour. So here I've added around 280 grams of flour, but added little by little. You can start mixing it with your hands, but don't knead it too hard. Once it becomes a dough, refrigerate it for 30 minutes and then start making the cookies. So take small portion, shape it into a cylindrical form, and make the shape of a finger. Now give some finger lines using a knife. And for the nails, here I'm using almonds. You can use either peeled or you can use the almond with the skin. Both will look nice in this recipe. So make all the cookies in the same way. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And bake this on a 170-degree preheated oven for 15 to 16 minutes or until you can see a slight color change on the cookies. Now to decorate the cookies for the Halloween, here I am using some strawberry jam. For the homemade jam recipe, please check the description for the recipe link. Apply this jam on the cookies to make it Halloween ready. You can break these cookies and apply this jam to make it a bit more realistic. These Halloween cookies are best for gifting, so you can nicely arrange these cookies in a box and gift it to your friends. So definitely try out these finger Halloween cookies and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Do hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.